Here's puppies at 2.5 weeks old. They're really starting to get up and move around. They were sleeping and I let Becca in, and just smelling her gets everybody going. Come here, Becca. Come get in the box. Good girl. You can notice down here in the lower right hand corner a box we have with some pellets in it. That is Rebecca's litter box. We have her trained to go in the litter box if we have her where she can't get outside. She's used to being able to go in and out anytime she wants, but with the puppies we've had to rearrange that a little bit. So she does a really good job of going in that litter box anytime she's inside, and that is something we work on with puppies too. In fact, they're getting ready to start that here in just a few days. We have Pyrenees puppies going home starting tomorrow, so we'll probably wait to start training them until those puppies go home. I can't hardly see the puppies anymore. They're all hiding underneath of her, trying to get a snack. A couple of them just hanging out on the other side of the box there. Must not be hungry. Oh, here comes little guy Green. He decided he was hungry. You can see how good they're getting at walking. Still wobbly, but doing a really good job. You can see everybody getting curly. Well, green and purple, you got, oh, and pink over here too. You guys were late. Gotta dig in there now, huh? Hey, Becca. Hey, girl. Okay. We'll start picking in their third week. We'll probably wait a few days after 3 weeks to really get them playing and going. With the Pyrenees we do right at 3 weeks, but since everybody has a home, we may wait a couple days, just depending on how our first choices feel, if they've already decided or not, but give a couple extra days to make sure everybody's, kind of give them a chance to have their personalities come out a little more. It's funny to watch who are kind of the laid-back ones and who are the go-getters. Okay, everybody's on and eating. You don't look very comfortable, Becca. Are you sleepy? Are they wearing you out? You're a good girl. Okay. We'll get you more video. I'll probably try to do it just when we get them switched around for their setup to start potty training in the litter box. We do that with alfalfa pellets so it smells like grass. And I'll detail that when we get that set up. Okay. Hey Becca. Bye-bye, girl. Bye-bye.